Please.
Go.
I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, you might want to hurry before I run out of room because I take videos
What's
on
the
this one.
front say?
To my love, may all your dreams come true.
And make sure you look at number 1 first.
Lauren, you should have Dad's phone set up in case I don't have enough memory.
When you wish upon
American
Lauren.
Airlines Center.
But we have to fly?
No.
Okay.
It's only an hour and a half away.
I started to say I don't feel like flying. Lauren! Stop.
Is this for Disney on Ice?
Yes, and look who the newest star is. Did you just get that? Come here, you okay?
What?
Okay.
Who,
You can quit recording now.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.